Hello friends, welcome to AIMS Today YouTube channel. You are watching NEET Foundation Biology, the biologists and their contribution to our understanding of biology. In this video, we are going to discuss about some more biologists. Hippocrates. He is famous, called as the father of Western medicine. And he is the first person to attribute the disease to natural causes rather than caused by the superstition that it is caused by gods. He is called father of medicine. Theodor Schwann. Theodor Schwann was an anatomist and physiologist who is best known for developing the cell doctrine or cell theory that all living things are composed of cells. He established that the cell is the basic unit of all living things. Schwann discovered the enzyme pepsin and discovered glial cells in nerves. And these are now known as Schwann cells. Schwann is a zoologist. He studied different animal cells under microscopes and stated that all animals are formed from or made up of structural and functional units called cells. Next, Rudolf Virchow. Rudolf Virchow was the eminent pathologist and politician, widely regarded as one of the greatest and most influential physicians in history. A founding father of both pathology and social medicine, Virchow analyzed the effects of disease in various organs and tissues of the human body. He studied the cell division and he proposed that the new cells are formed from pre-existing cells, which is one of the points included in the modern cell theory. Salman Waxman. Salman Waxman and his research teams discovered antibiotics made by soil-dwelling bacteria. The word antibiotic was coined by Waksman. One of the antibiotics made by these bacteria was streptomycin. Streptomycin is the first effective treatment for tuberculosis. Waxman, a pioneer in the field of soil microbiology, was the sole recipient of the 1952 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel.